Yep.
Record?
Yep.
Alright, so we took our 5 straight edge sheets here. So we have our 5 different straight edge sheets, 63 millimeters across. I've stacked them all rough side facing up, so I have them together in a single stack. I'm going to use this instrument here that has the B on top, so it's a heavier cantilever here, so it swings better. Come around back, and I press my red button. That resets the software in the instrument. Before I did that, I set my knob here over to the N. Okay, so on here I set it around the N because I'm going to be testing 5 plies. The first thing it asks me is to calibrate the 0 reading. I'm simply going to press the pend button here, which is actually missing on this one, but it works fine. We press pend and it swings. We stop it, press pend again. We're going to do this 3 times. After 3 times it's recorded the 0 reading, and you press the calibration button. Now it's going to ask me for my number of plies, which in this case is going to be 5. So I'm going to press yes, and it goes to 2. Yes, it goes to 4. Yes, and it goes to 8. But I have 5 plies, so to get back to 5, I press no until it reads 5. So once I have my 5 plies in there, I'm going to press the cal button again. It'll say 5 plies fixed. Now I'm going to take my sample and I'm going to try to make 1, 2, 3, 4 tears across this sheet. So rough side facing away from the cantilever. I'm going to place it into the instrument so that the flat section's across there. Then I'm going to press clamp. It's going to clamp the sample. I press my knife down to start my tear in my sample. And now I'm going to press my pen button to release it. Important thing here is check to make sure this says 5B. It gives you instructions up here. Follow those instructions carefully. 5 is the number of plies, B is the cantilever. If it doesn't read those numbers, you'll get the wrong numbers. So now we have this in here. Press the pen button and we'll tear the samples. Now we read that number off. It's 145.9 grams force to tear 5 sheets.
Okay. Alright, I'm going to pause it.